Welcome to the WC. This is Clyde, and this is Throwback Thursdays. We have here Panini's first WNBA card set, the 2020 WNBA Prizm in Mega Box form. It was the first time Panini was licensed with WNBA, and they didn't print as many, guys. So the prices of these are just getting higher and higher. These are going for $150 right now. This is Sabrina Ionescu and Satou Sabali's rookie year. And that's the chase. Let's go. There's 40 WNBA cards in here. That means there's 10 packs, 4 cards per pack. They have Elena Del Don on the cover. I guess she was what was hot in 2020. I don't know, maybe. Oops. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a lot of packs. Okay. Well, here we go. We have Asia Liberty, Megan Walker, rookie card, Asia Wilson, emergent, insert, okay, good start, Ariel Atkins, Mystics, pack number 2. These cards are like mirrors. Yvonne Turner, Phoenix Mercury, Simone Augustus from the Sparks, Brianna Stewart in the Silver Prizm when she was in the Seattle Storm. That's cool. And we have Kayla Thornton, Dallas Wings. It's fun to see like the different teams, the players, you know, we're on. Because Brianna Stewart, we know her for Liberty. But we have her again here for the Storm. Drew Lloyd, Storm. Brittany Griner. Widescreen. Okay. And what do we have in the green? Alicia Clark. Very cool. And then we have a rookie card. Jasmine Jones. Okay. Odyssey Sims, Minnesota Lynx, Kelsey Plum, Aces. She's still Aces. Alicia Gray, Dallas Wings. That's it. Was that just 3 cards? Or am I tripping? Okay, next. Kayla McBride, Aces. Tiffany Hayes, Atlanta Dream. We have Jocelyn Willoughby in the green cracked ice, and this is a rookie card. Elizabeth Williams, Atlanta Dream. There's still a lot more to go. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So this is the 6-pack. Cheyenne Parker, Chicago Sky. Latoya Sanders, Mystics. Get hyped. We have Diana Taurasi. That's a cool card. Great picture. Okay. And then we have Tamara Young, Aces. Pack number 7. Ruthie Herbert, rookie card. Chicago Sky. Dearica Hamby, Aces. She's playing for the Sparks now. We have Jewel Lloyd in the silver Prizm. Jewel Lloyd, solid player. Seattle Storm. Arike Agumbawale, Dallas Wings. And she's still for the Wings. Let's see. Brianna Turner. Phoenix Mercury. I don't know why these colors look like Connecticut Sun colors. Liz Cambridge, Aces. Fearless Insert, John Cole Jones, Connecticut Sun. Kelsey Mitchell, Fever. That's a weird yellow uniform for a Fever. But that's Kelsey Mitchell. Kelsey Mitchell's rookie card is in the 2018, the Ritter House one, and that one is like super short print. So that'll be like thousands of dollars for one card. All right, Shanity Carter, rookie card. I could be exaggerating. I know Asia's was thousands of dollars. A Stu Nador, Dallas Wings. Emma Mieseman, Mystics, in the green. Tina Charles, Mystics. Last pack. Would it be a Sabrina hiding behind there, or a Satu Sabali? Aerial Powers. Isabel Harrison. Asia Wilson, Fireworks. Okay, I'll take that. And Sammy Whitcomb, Seattle Storm. Alright, we got quite a few rookie cards. Shanity Carter, Ruthie Herbert, Jasmine Jones, Megan Walker. Not the ones we were looking for. But we got the Asia insert. Jean-Claude Jones, Jewel Lloyd, Diana Taurasi, Alicia Clark, Brittany Griner, Brianna Stewart in the Silver Prizm, Asia. We got 2 Asias. There we have it. Join us next week. Throwback Thursdays. Every Thursdays. Sundays, new shit. Fun day Sunday. See y'all later. Bye.